So join me as we take the plunge on a journey to Africa a la carte. Africa is the cradle of civilization, and Gabon is the place where I was born. Located on the equator on Africa's west coast, Gabon is alive with culture. Everywhere you go, you can taste the tradition in the air. And nowhere else is the connection to nature more apparent. I can't think of anyone better to share my homecoming to Mother Africa than my own mother, Annette.
This is beautiful. I'm in the biggest market in Gabon called Memwet, and we're going to show you how we buy fresh vegetables, organic vegetables, how we get fresh chicken. I'm so sorry. Fresh fish, everything organic, and I really want to show you the culture of Gabon, so let's go. This is fermented cassava that's been soaked in water for about 3 or 4 days, and the way we test if it's good or not is by pushing it. And if it bounces back, that means it's good. Smoked chicken to put in our stew. This is the chocolat lodica that we're going to shred it, and then we make the sauce. Part of the market life is negotiation, so never accept the first price. Merci. Au revoir. So you guys can see this process here. Oh, come on. Here we have the kumbu. Impossible if you're not an expert. Look at everything I just made right now. This is me that just cut all this fresh. So this is how, look how light this is. So you just saw how I did it. I want to show you how she does. How fast that is. I can't even get it. The knife is so sharp, and then at the end, it's just beautiful.
Next, I'm going to get a demonstration of how they kill a fresh chicken.
You want me to put my foot on it too? Oh! I just broke the poor guy's leg. Oh gosh, makes me want to be a vegetarian. They let it shake in this bucket until he loses his life, because after you kill a chicken, it still moves of the nerve that's going on. Then they're gonna put it in this hot water here to loosen the feathers and then pluck them. So see, this process here is very important. Watch how easily the feathers come off. And it's done really, really fast. You have to do it really fast right when you get it out of the hot water.
I don't know about you, but I have had enough shopping for one day. Now that we have all of our ingredients farm fresh from the marketplace, let's go to my